russellfrommining.com.au, and joining me today is the CEO of Faraday Copper, Paul Harbidge. Paul, how are you today?
Yeah, good. Thanks, Shay. Good to be talking to you.
Lovely to have you. Thank you very much for joining us this morning. Now, I just want to say congratulations on some stunning results for your Copper Creek project in Arizona. I believe the American Eagle Zone has two stunning intercepts. Can you talk me through them?
Yeah, Shay, this is part of our phase three drilling, and we put out two results today, both returning intersections of just over 100 meters, including some high grade, more than 1% copper intersections. This is one of our highest priority target areas. It's above the American Eagle underground resource. It's an area that sort of measures over 800 meters by a kilometer, so a large surface area. And effectively, the first 500 meters have never been tested. So for the underground drilling, they drilled vertical holes and didn't really test these high-grade breccias that are vertical in nature. So it really provides us with an opportunity as we go forward to drill out what we think is more open pit material and really drive value from this American Eagle area.
It's excellent to see such promising results coming through, especially so shallow. But this isn't the only area that's showing successful drilling. I believe you're doing recon infill drilling at Area 51. Tell me, how is that ground looking?
Yeah, Area 51 is another exciting target. It's actually 800 meters from the mineral resource area. It's a new target, new discovery. It's a cluster of breccias that have confirmed significant mineralization from surface. And we continue to drill to expand that mineralization both laterally as well as at depth. And we're also finding new breccias in that area that show depth potential for copper mineralization. So all in all, very exciting.
This seems to be the copper project that just keeps on giving because not only obviously are you shoring up American Eagle and you're working on expanding Area 51, but I believe you're also trying to test outside of these projects as well and really build the scale of this overall project, aren't you?
That's right, Shay. I mean, the district scale potential is, really important as well. We've got two big structures that run through the property, and they're the essential plumbing system that bring in the breccias and the porphyries. And we've actually got over 300 breccias that have been mapped at surface, and so far we've only drill tested 37. So a lot more, opportunity to make new discoveries, and it's about building out that pipeline of future drilling.
Listen, Paul, you've clearly got an enormous amount of targets to currently drill, which means there's going to be a lot of news flow to come forward. But you know what investors are like. They always like to know what's next. Tell me, what can we expect to hear from Faraday Copper in the next few weeks?
Now you can see a continued pipeline of or flow of news from this drilling. We've got a 20,000 minimum 20,000 meter drill program that we're executing on at the moment. And then what we plan to do is to take these results plus drilling that we did last year. That was another 10,000 meters. Roll that up into a new mineral resource estimate, and then look to provide that into a new technical study midway through next year.
There is an enormous amount of work going on right now at your Copper Creek project. Thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to see what your next intercepts look like. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Shay, and great talking to you today.